Hey YouTube, I'm headed out to Anthracite Outdoor Adventure area. This is the second day in a row of going up there. The first day was with Jeep Club of Maryland, and this time it will be going out for the park's monthly ride or whatever with Offroad Consulting. Green guided ride is what we're doing, and then I'm going to pick up the trailer and take it back to Virginia to head out to the Great Smoky Mountains. And here we are at the campsite, or I am at the campsite. And yeah, I'm a little bit tanned. You can tell I have like a bunch of tan lines on me now, and because I have the top down and everything. We'll probably have the top down again, but I'll use more sunscreen. So anyway, we'll see you on the trail. Hey YouTube, I'm out here with Offroad Consulting today at Anthracite Outdoor Adventure area, and this is a monthly guided ride, the Green Guided Ride. There are 20 Jeeps that are here to do the ride. They have 4 guides, I guess technically 2 guides, and 2 tail gunners. Typically that's what they do at least. And then they also have, it looks like they're probably doing a training ride today too, I'm not really sure. So anyway, we are out here in the big field in the parking lot at the AOAA. The parking lot is like behind me where people normally are at, and then for reference, like over here is like the lunch center on this side. This is where Jeep Jamboree normally lines up, but we're lining up over here so we're away from everybody. It's nice and safe and coordinated. So we should have a fun ride today. It's greens. They normally break into 2 levels of greens, like super easy and then a little more moderate, and they kind of shake out who wants to do what and who's like kind of a beginner and who's maybe a little step above the beginner, let's say. So I'm out here to have a relaxing ride, and we already are down. So I'm gonna do a little walk around, let you see the Jeeps, and then you'll get to see the footage of our ride. So please like and subscribe. Hey YouTube, so we're getting lined up to head out. Probably there'll be 10 Jeeps. There's 20, like I was saying, in our group, and here's a little lineup of who's going with us. So this is the leader's Jeep that's going with us, and then we're just going to do a little walkthrough. The order will probably change. Most of the time they put the smaller Jeeps in front that need more guidance, and obviously that's a low runner there, low rider of our group, which is very intelligent to do. Very well lifted Jeep. This is ours. Ours looks like short compared to everybody else's. Their Jeep is even lower than ours, so I bet you that like at the wheelies it's going to be scooted forward. And then very nicely built Rubicon. And then we got this other really nicely built Jeep pulling up. Rancho skid plates on the bottom. I had problems with those. And then that other gray one. Hey YouTube, we are out on the pole line, and we will be apparently doing the fighter trails this morning, mud pits and stuff like that, and then this afternoon we're going to do the mountainside. So basically pretty similar to what we did yesterday probably, except we're only going to be doing greens, no blues today. So we will see you, and please like and subscribe. Hey YouTube, we are on trail number 2. This is the lowest part of the trail map. I'll put a map in the corner or whatever. Anyway, on the map, like, we are basically skirting the edge of the AOAA on this side of the park, and you can tell it is kind of tight and twisty, switchbacks and stuff, and kind of going between trees. But it is a green trail, and it is fun, and the Gladiator does fit. So you can hear Grace in the background barking. So I don't know, she wants my attention. So anyway, we will see you guys around. Please like and subscribe.